Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a new family member in Vowel's O family. And the name of the new family member is Og. O-G, Og. Yes, so today we are going to learn about Og family. Ready? Okay, let's start. So once upon a time, there was an alphabet O and there was an alphabet G. And both of them were very sad. वो बहुत दुखी थे. Just like this girl. जैसे कि ये girl sad है. Why? Because इस girl का भी कोई friend नहीं है. And O और G इन दोनों का भी कोई friend नहीं था. So they were very bored and they were very sad. So one day they have an idea. They said, हम आपस में ही दोस्त बन जाते हैं. Then we will do many fun things together. So then they shook their hands and they become friends. And then they became friends and then they did a lot of party. And जब उन्होंने बहुत सारी party करी तो party के साथ साथ उन्होंने बहुत सारे words भी बनाए. So ready to see those words? Okay. So now the first word is pog. P-O-G, pog. हमें phonics follow करना है. So the sound of letter P is P. Sound of letter O is O. And the sound of letter G is G. P-O-G, pog. P-O-G, pog. P-O-G, pog. This is dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? They are jogging. Morning में करते हैं ना हम exercise. So J says jog. Jog, jog. Jog, jog. Jog, jog. Winters में जब हम अपनी विंडो से बाहर देखते हैं तो आपको दिखता है ना ये सारा fog, कोहरा. So it is called as fog. Fog, fog. Fog, fog. Fog, fog. एंड इसे क्या बोलते हैं? ये लकड़ी के तने का एक कटा हुआ टुकड़ा है. इसे कहते हैं लॉग. लॉग, लॉग. लॉग, लॉग. लॉग, लॉग. So let's do this poem now. Here is Pog. Pog is a dog. ये एक dog है और इसका नाम क्या है? Pog, Pog. And it is a dog, dog. Jog, 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 jog. The dog jogs in the fog. ये जो dog है ये fog में jogging कर रहा है. Log, log, log. The dog hits a log. So dog किसको hit कर रहा है? एक log को hit कर रहा है. It's a wooden log. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.